He's getting antsy because he wants a bite of the yogurt pop. And he tries to take these big old bites.
Is Bella a dog?
Yes, Bella is a dog.
So he's gonna try to run for the cat?
No. Me, ready for another bite. Little bite, Andy. Little bite, little bite.
Where's the cat? Oh. Martha! Can I get it? How can I get one of those?
Hold on, honey. Little bite, Andy. You can't have too much.
If he gets too much, that's bad.
You get a brain freeze.
Yeah.
Little bite.
He must love that.
He does.
Look at his face.
Bite, Andy. Andy. Okay, well, here. Not too much, Landon. Get your mouth. Mommy's about to clean you up. Yeah.